Road Science is New Zealand's leading designer and supplier of bitumen and bitumen-based products. We have 4 IANZ accredited laboratories, 8 asphalt plants and 4 bitumen plants. Hi, I'm Janet, Road Science's National Laboratory Manager.
Whether it's in the lab or out on site, Road Science's area of expertise is in testing the materials to ensure they meet specification. Our laboratories are located throughout New Zealand, in Christchurch, Wellington, Mount Maunganui and Auckland. This service provides technical support for your project, from the initial tender and design phase, right through to quality control and compliance testing during the construction phase, so that we become part of the project delivery team. We also operate mobile labs on site and offer Hawkeye, a laser profiling system that measures road surface roughness and texture. The Road Science team of 30 professional technicians help clients meet NZTA, local authority and specialised project requirements.
Road Science laboratories offer the widest range of civil testing solutions in the areas of aggregates, soils, bitumen, asphalt, concrete and field testing services. These range from standard quality indicators right through to advanced material performance testing. Hi, I'm Simon Hall. Here at the Mount Maunganui laboratory, we not only have the widest range of testing equipment, we also have the in-house expertise to have developed design methods exclusive to Road Science.
This wheel tracker simulates the load conditions that cause asphalt deformation and rutting. And the fatigue performance test finds the cracking point of an asphalt, replicating repetitive traffic loading. Alongside this, we use the repeated load triaxle tester to mimic that traffic stress throughout the whole depth of the aggregate layer. Unique to Road Science is our data evaluation method from the triaxle tester, a method adopted by the NZTA as their national standard. The flexural beam test determines the maximum load that a cement stabilised aggregate can take before it fractures. This data is then used in a detailed check against the pavement design. All our asphalt tests offer us the ability to characterise mixes against one another, allowing us to create the most suitable and cost-effective solution for your contract. Road Science laboratories offer unparalleled in-house research and development, expertise that will work directly with you to develop both new products and improve on existing formulations to meet the changing needs of your clients.
Hi, I'm Vicky and I'm the lab manager of the Road Science lab in Christchurch. We do a lot of site testing, working closely with the site engineers and project managers to deliver a quality final project. During construction, we routinely test density and pavement deflection. Post-construction, we test for road roughness.
Binkelman beam testing determines the rebound deflection of a pavement under a standard wheel load and tyre pressure. This deflection is measured as the vertical deflected distance of the pavement surface. We also test the density of the pavement using a nuclear density meter to ensure optimum compaction. An NDM works by using 2 sources of radiation to measure the wet density and moisture content of the aggregate. From here, we can calculate the in situ dry density of that pavement.
Welcome to Road Science, Wendy speaking.
Our nationwide Road Science team is looking forward to helping guide you through your specific requirements. So please contact us through our website if you'd like to learn more about any service covered in this overview.